And there we have it, one Juniperus bermudiana. Specifically, only the top is Juniperus bermudiana. It's grafted onto a different base because that's the only realistic way to propagate something that is this hard to get. But nevertheless, it represents a living example of a complete Juniperus bermudiana genome. And if I ever manage to get another one that's a different strain, I could breed with this. In case you're interested, the rootstock species is Platycladus orientalis. You can see the successful graft joint there, and that's a bit of a closer view of the leaves. You can see it is growing at the ends there. Let's get this potted up. And there we have it, all potted up next to my redwoods. It'll be a little while before it stops looking like it was just shipped across the Atlantic Ocean. But that's okay, it is definitely healthy, both the foliage and the roots. It's been about 2 days since I potted it, and it seems to be doing well. This arrangement with the sticks is my strategy for undoing, or at least partially undoing, the distortions caused by the box. There's also been some new growth on my redwood trees right next to it.